This is a 2-cylinder scale-based switchover system for hydrogen bromide. We've got 2 semiconductor grade panels here, each of them having this emergency shutoff valve. It's normally closed. It needs activation pressure from the GSM-12 controller. When it's on, this little wink will turn green. You got high pressure vent valve, quarter turn, little green indicator to tell you it's open. High pressure isolation. This is your purge gas inlet, and I'll show you where the purge gas is coming from another cylinder in the cabinet. Pressure regulator, low pressure isolation valve. This has an excess flow switch in there. If the flow exceeds a set point, it will close the ESO valve with help of the GSM-12 controller. So we've got the 2 panels, and these are the switchover valves for each side. So when the cylinder gets low on the one side, it'll switch over to the other cylinder. So these are also pneumatically operated valve, and these are going to be actuated by the ASC-2 Switchover Controller. The vent lines here and here will run up into the exhaust stack. Of course, you have your sprinkler head right here, and you've got penetrations at the top of the cabinet for the gas outlet. This is a VCR male outlet fitting. This is the purge gas panel, pressure regulator, outlet isolation valve, and this one gets piped in to they're going to put in a nanochem purifier right there, and that is installed at the customer site. Extremely high integrity purge gas piped to the purge gas inlets. We have the MagnaHelic. Take this tubing and it'll be tied into the exhaust stack, and that will be an indicator on your suction of your exhaust. Also behind here on the other side of the bracket is an exhaust failure switch. This is a GD70D gas detector. You take the caps off, and this gets piped. This will get piped in by the customer into the exhaust stack. This is the GSM-12 controller. This will actuate the emergency shutoff valve to open when conditions are good, and it'll cause it to close if you have an alarm condition. This is our ASC-2 controller. This will control the switchover operations. So it takes signal from the scale controller. This is a 2-cylinder scale-based switchover system for hydrogen bromide.